All right, what is up, everybody? This is Levi here. I'm gonna show you something pretty cool with GoHighLevel. So, if you're searching GoHighLevel or if you know anything about it, you know there's tons and tons of features for more than just a CRM or website builder. There's just so many different nuances within this software, which is super cool. Something that I found pretty interesting and that I never really used until just recently is the multi-platform social media planner. So basically, you can, you have a post that you want to put out, but instead of having to go and individually posting on each of the platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, any of the platforms you have, rather than doing that, you can just do it once. Put it inside GoHighLevel, and then you can even schedule them to send them out at a certain time. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So you're going to go right over here into your marketing. So as we get this and it loads, so the first thing that pops up right here is the social planner. And right here are all the different options they currently offer as far as accounts you can link. And so basically what you do with this is you go through each of the platforms that you have and you're going to log into them. And so I will do that real quickly and I'll show you how that works. So we're going to click on Facebook here. And then it's going to pop up and it's going to search for Facebook groups. So then right here, I can add, and this is my company. So I can add this, and then you'll see it's connected. And so one by one, you would just go through that and you would do multiple platforms or whatever platforms you want to use. And so let's say that we had all of ours in here and we're ready to do a post. So then you go into compose post right here. And so I'm going to click on the account that I want. So right now, all I have is Facebook. But if I had those other accounts signed in, I would actually just go ahead and select each one of those. And then here, you can decide if it's a post, story, or reel. And then you're going to type in your content. So I'm not being kidnapped, guys. Okay, but you just write something like that, and you put it on your so you put it in that section right there, and then you can add things like you can add your hashtags, you can add photos. So I would go here and I could use their AI library, or I can go up and upload. So then this in here, these are different just profiles and things that I've uploaded here. But if you have any photos or videos, you can add those in there, put them on here. And so let's say you're ready to post. So then you can go right here. And also one other cool thing is if you have a Google business profile too linked to this, you can put your call to actions, and there's a whole system in here to do that for you. So you can go to post, and then you could schedule a post, send posts for approval, schedule reoccurring posts. So you can do multiple posts, and that way you can, you can post them, on a schedule. And so if you're going to do post now, you could just do post now, and then there you have it. So with this, you would now be put onto your Facebook. So if I were to go and look at let's look at my Facebook real quick. Ooh. So if we go here, after it loads, you'll see right here that it posted just like that. So that is how you are able to use the GoHighLevel social media planner. If you guys want to, in the description box below, I have affiliate link through them, so you can go and look at that. And if you want to try it out, there's a free trial there, so if you want to try it out and see if you like it before you purchase it. But anyways, I just wanted to show that because I just actually started using this. I always knew that GoHighLevel had that, as I've been using this software for a few months now. But when I found that feature, I thought it was pretty cool. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later.